This is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and in today's video I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network with others on this device. So first step is to open the Wi-Fi settings, which you can do by simply entering the Wi-Fi category of General Settings app, or you can also launch the control panel and touch and hold at the Wi-Fi shortcut. From here, assuming that you are currently connected to the network that you wanted to share, just tap on it like that, and as you can see, this little pop-up window appears, which provides you with the QR code that can be further scanned, and with its help, any other device will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.